In this tutorial you are going to learn how to create a dual color heading in Elementor using PowerPack Lite for Elementor Plugin. To create a dual color heading in Elementor, you will need to install the free PowerPack Lite for Elementor Plugin. You will find the link to this plugin in the description below. Once you have installed and activated this plugin, edit the page on which you want to place the dual color heading. Now, edit the page with Elementor. Scroll down till you see the PowerPack Elements group. Drag and drop the dual color heading widget on the page. Set the first part of the section. Now, set the second part of the section. Don't worry about both the parts sticking to each other. Go to Style tab and set the color for the first part of the heading. You can see that the color has changed for the first part. Here, you can also set the padding between the two parts of the heading. Now, open the second part panel, and set the color of the second part of the heading. And, that's it. You have now created dual color heading in Elementor. Okay. Now that you know how to create a dual color heading in Elementor, do you want to know about the cheapest tools to build and run a website? I have created Website Builder's Toolbox that will give you this list of cheap tools. Click the link in the description below to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.